Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be installing a wig, but I'll be giving you guys tips and tricks for sensitive skin. So go ahead and stay tuned. So I am doing the ball cap method with Ebony's Wonder Lace adhesive spray, and I am using Got to Be Glued gel in the black bottle. So my tip for a workable ball cap method is make sure that your ball cap is fully dry. For me, I have to get up and do something after I blow dry for a minute because I get impatient. So what I did was got up, did the dishes, and then came back. Alright, so for my sensitive girls, for the makeup part, you want to use a medicated makeup. I have a makeup with salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid, and those are the only two makeups that I will put on my wigs and my ball cap because your girl's skin don't play that. So this is the holy grail for me, my glue that I use. I've experienced major breakouts with a lot of different strong glues, but I'm a Slay Obey has a gummy lace adhesive and sensitive, and at first I did not like it, not because it broke me out, but because I really didn't know how to work with it. But you just want to make sure that your skin is clean, so prep it with some alcohol and then lay your wig down, make sure that it's clear or whatever, and it works wonderful for me. Lastly, to get my wig flat, I'll be using Naribu foaming mousse and also beeswax, and neither of these mess with my skin. Now I'm just cutting my baby hairs. Basically all I did was pull down some hair. I know that there's a formation that like hairstylists use, but I haven't mastered that yet. I just do what works for me, and yeah, just find the placement for you. Cut them with some hair scissors, or really use any scissors, but I know hair scissors and shears work the best, or a hair razor like I'm using. I laid my baby hairs using the same mousse that I used to get the top flat. Now I am just curling my hair, and I am not using any product. I do have heat protectant on this hair, but I put that on when I blow dried it. This is a finished install. It came out bomb. I love it so much, and it's not going to mess with my skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is it for you.